If you have dull, dry, flaky skin which drink creams and oil like water, Minimalist says this 5% marula oil moisturizer is the answer. Let's see if it's right or wrong. First things first, let's check out the packaging and the texture. This one comes in a proper tube-like package. Nothing fancy, nothing new, just a simple tube. This is the cream. It's normal cream which feels a little watery. It's not thick at all. It's like melted butter. वैसा soft ये cream है. It obviously, as you can see, feels like has some oil in it, so it glides on super well. The texture is soft, it's creamy, it's spreading easily. You won't feel very sticky after applying this. It does not feel heavy for people with dry skin. This has 5% marula oil, which is rich in omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acid. It restores moisture and it will strengthen your skin barrier. And it also has vitamin F, which helps in keeping the moisture inside the skin. जो natural आपका skin धीरे धीरे moisture lose करता रहता है throughout the day, it will help with that. It also has oat extract, so if you have sensitive skin which gets irritated very easily, this ingredient can actually help. It also has ceramides, which is a great ingredient for the dry skin because it helps in barrier repair. तो एक अफोर्डेबल कॉस्ट में इतने सारे अच्छे इंग्रेडिएंट्स होना फॉर ड्राई स्किन इज अ गुड साइन. Who all can use it? People with dry, dehydrated, redness on the skin. Please go in with this moisturizer, but definitely not recommended for people with oily skin. What other ingredients can you combine it with? You go in with a hyaluronic acid serum first, then put this moisturizer. You can use it as a combination with niacinamide, or lastly, definitely if you're someone who's using retinol, you need to protect your barrier. So go in with this moisturizer after applying retinol also. It could be a great moisturizer if you want to wear it under sunscreen or your makeup because it gives you that hydrated, moisturized, slick look. If you talk about my experience with this 5% minimalist oil moisturizer, I would say I'm going to definitely recommend it because it helps with the dryness. मेरी skin अब थोड़ी normalist side पे है, but whenever I feel dryness, especially in the winter season or when I've used a lot of retinol, I really feel that it works. Even in 2 to 3 goes, it reduces the dry patches. And I think because of the ingredients जो इसमें हैं जो कि काफी अच्छे हैं for the dry skin, I do feel that my skin gets softer and more touchable after using this moisturizer. The final verdict is, if you're looking for a moisturizer that feels great on your skin, keeps it hydrated without feeling greasy or heavy, this can be your go-to moisturizer. अगर मेरा काम अलग अलग मॉइस्चराइजर्स को ट्राई करना नहीं होता तो डेफिनेटली आई वुड स्टिक टू दिस मॉइस्चराइजर. इट्स अ वेरी रिच, लाइट वेट, प्रीमियम काइंड ऑफ मॉइस्चराइजर इन अ super affordable range. So yeah, give it a try. Let me know if you've tried it. Let me know if you've loved it or hated it. I would love to know your take on this. This is all for this video. Make sure you subscribe and like because I keep making a lot of skincare content for different skin types. Alright, bye. I'm gonna see you again.